Hello everyone. Today I am at Kotarbagh, Naveli, and you are looking at the house of Gauss family, ex-MLA Mr. Gauss. His house is this, and today is Vaman Jayanti, and on this occasion they do a program called as Baras. What is Baras is? Baras means related to 12. From that we get the word Baras. 12 plates of rice along with the flour, cooked flour, and one vegetable aloo is prepared, and it is given as Naivedya food to the nature. Now from tomorrow onwards they will start the preparation for Rabi crops, that is in Konkani we call Vaingan Shet. The preparation for the cultivation of paddy will start from tomorrow, and that is why this Baras festival is there, in order to worship the mother nature, also to get protection from crocodile and other animals. This festival is celebrated. It is said that once Zot, that is pair of bullocks, were taken by a crocodile, and from that day onwards this festival was started. The name of the festival is Baras. Now here you can see the models of tortoise, crocodile and bullock pair along with the farmer are made, and that will be worshipped, and then they will be placed into the Baras. And here you can see the preparation of the Naivedya, that is food for this Baras, and this will be divided into 12 parts. The umbrella-like structure made up of bamboo for this Baras. All these traditions, rituals are performed till today, even in the modern days.
जी भारत हा ती ग्रामस्थांनी ही मूर्त करण्यासाठी जोत बांधले. त्यानुपरांत जे जोत बांधल्याने ते जोता सरपट्टो नाही केलो, म्हणजे सगळा ते आणि त्या उपरांत ग्रामस्थांनी कितें येवले की चौकडी एकठी झाली, आणि आम्ही आता कितें उडयाचो विचार, म्हणजे चौगांनी आपण मागीर कितें केली, पाडो सामक्यान मूर्त वेळ करूया अशें तेंचे ग्रामस्थांनी ठरयले. त्यानंतर ही भारत सुरू जाली अशा हांव म्हणटा.
हो गया.
So all the members of Gauss family come together to celebrate this Baras, which is worshipped. Worshipping is in progress. Now actually this food is offered in the Baras. 12 times it will be offered. So this was placed at 12 times, 11 times rice, and 12th one is ufar. That is something like khichdi. Is placed in this chariot. Then other food will be offered into the baras, and the baras will be carried into the paddy field, and then Visarjan will be made, and then program will come to end. All these preparations are for preparing or to start the work for the paddy field into the Rabi season. So this is now almost end of the September, almost at the end of the rainy season, and then the beginning of the Rabi crops work will start. That is called as Kokni we call it a Waingan Shet.
चार वावतले ते
This ceremony is called as Baras Bharap or Wadap.
बारा आणि दोनच फक्त.
So this is the food offered to the nature. First rice, then the curry like dish, and then
परत धरून करून मिळतात
aloo vegetable, there is dry vegetable.
चार
All these things are offered 12 times, and that is why it is Baras. You can see the Baras is closed. All the food is packed inside this chariot. The food which is left will be served as a prasad and naivedya on these leaves. These are the leaves of karmal tree, which is a wild forest tree. Here you can see the preparation of the rice offered to the Baras. Here you can see the piti, the gram flour, aloo vegetable, one of the local vegetable, and that is this is the khichdi or upar, and this is the food will be offered to all the members of this family as prasad.
समर्था तू देवधनी नावेली सारखी माया भूमिका मायेच्या आकार्या हे ग्रामजोडत्या ग्रामपुरुषांमध्ये समर्था देवी सातेरी तो कुणबी वोस तो गाडवोस तेका त्या राजी करून द्या माझ्या समर्था तो लक्ष्मी नारायण महादेव गणपती दुर्गादेवी पंचविष्टाचे एक चीज या गणित कर माझ्या समर्था तो बेताळ पूर्वज तो भावका देवी तेका ते राजी करून घे माझ्या समर्था रवणा तो भूतनाथी महालक्ष्मी तेंका ते सामील करून घ्या माझ्या समर्था आज ते चतुर्शिमीचे राखणदार तो खुटेकार तो पाऊलकार ते सासवयलो तेंका ते राजी करून घ्या माझ्या समर्था आज तो मिशाळो देवचा तो गोडवायचो देवता तेंका ते कोणा वेळार जाणा भक्तांक मेळयले पिशाकुळ्यांक सामील करून घे तुझ्या पायाची सेवा चाकरी करून घे सगळ्यांक आरोग्य आयुष्य दी राख आनी बरें कर
Now this chariot will be placed into the paddy field and this festival will be come to an end. All this food is offered to the nature, crocodile and all other animals which are related to the paddy field, and this will be the beginning of the Waingan Shet, the Rabi crop. Now we are into the paddy field and you can see the Baras. And this Baras will be placed into the water. And now we have reached the final destination of this Paras in the paddy field. We have walked around 500 meters from the main lane into the paddy field. Be here next year for this Bharat festival at Gaun's family house at Kotarbagh, Naveli, Sakri. One type of this unique festival of Goa, worshipping motherland. And thanks for watching this video.
अरे बाहेर काढ दोन मारायला पेट पिशवी उद्या लागतात असे पुढे झाला मला अवश्य
जागा असणार
पाच पावडे रे हा
परत तिथे
And now here you can see the preparation for the offerings to God and the beginning of the agricultural practice. For Rabi crops will be started. The food is offered to God, and from today onwards or from tomorrow onwards we can start the paddy field work.
पाया पडा रे
So here you can see the rituals are performed for the preparation of the Rabi crops. Everybody will just perform a ritual. That is the beginning of the Waingan shed or paddy field Rabi crops. And with this Bharat ritual has come to an end. These people will now take bath and will go to the temple of Ravalnath Sateri.
पैसे काढून तेवढे